Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is the characteristic features of teaching includes the following. You can see that number one, it has different levels of teaching. Number two, it takes place in a dynamic environment. Number three, it is closely related to education, learning, instruction, and training. Number four, it is essential and intellectual activity. Number five, it is an art as well as science. Number six, it tends towards self organization. Number seven, it is a social service. Number eight, it includes lengthy period of study and training. Number nine, it has high degree of autonomy. Number 10, it is a continuous process. And final, number 11, teaching is a profession. So, dear friend, this is all. Thank you. All the best and happy learning.